Hello, what I'm going to do today is do a very brief introduction to the Earth Science 111 course for fall 2020. So what I'm going to do is basically go through the different modules and give you an overview of some of the things that will be included in the course. So the very first part of the course, what we'll be looking at, what you need to do is go and look at modules under Canvas, and you'll see the introduction to Earth Science. And what we're going to do is go through the scheme of work, some of the online protocol and netiquette, find out about what actual environmental science is, what the scientific method is. And at the end of this, there'll be a discussion question. I will explain later in further videos what is expected from those discussion questions. The first major topic is humans and sustainability, and under weeks 1 to 2, what you will see is the major topics that are covered under humans and sustainability. For example, natural capital and major environmental problems. And in addition, what I will do is I will go over in later videos test 1 to give you an explanation of what's in each test, how to approach them, and how to study for them. Okay, and then we're going to move into population, a major topic with regards to the environment. And again, we'll have a test and a population discussion. And then after that, we move into the urban environment. These topics link together. So again, this under the urban environment, what we're going to be looking at is urbanization, problems of things like urban sprawl, also transportation, and we will also at this point in the course be submitting a report. There will be a discussion relating to urbanization, and we'll look at some of the future cities and sustainable cities, and I'll give you some notes relating to this. By week 7 and 8, what we'll start to move into is some of the more scientific concepts such as air and air pollution, the atmosphere, and outdoor air pollution. Again, we'll have a test relating to this, and we'll also have notes relating to it. Okay, and then by week 9, we'll be looking at things like global warming and ozone depletion, and looking at how serious a threat this is to the world. Okay, and some possible solutions. Again, we will have a number of discussions relating to this. Okay, by week 10, what we'll be looking at is water resources and water pollution, and I will post some notes relating to this, and also again we'll have a discussion relating to those notes. By week 11, what we'll be looking at is solid and hazardous waste, different types of waste, definition of waste, ideas of reuse, recycling, also things like landfills, for example, etc. At this point, we'll be having test 4, and also by this point there will be a submission of a second report. These reports will be found within your syllabus. At week 12, we'll be looking at food and food resources, and I will provide notes and look at agriculture. Okay, and again we'll have notes relating to food, and you'll have a discussion relating to it. By week 13, we'll be looking at energy, and again there'll be notes relating to this energy. Week 14, we're going to be looking at minerals and soils, and by week 15, sustainability and ecological integrity, looking at different things like forests, parks, rangelands, and then there will be a final. Okay, this is just a brief overview. This will be looked at again when I go over the syllabus at the very beginning. Okay, so if you have any concerns, contact me via the general discussion at the beginning of the modules, and I'll be able to get back to you and explain any concerns or any problems you have relating to the course. So again, if you go under general concerns and post your question, I'll be able to get back to you very rapidly. Thank you. Hope you enjoy the course.